Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the watch model and current watch OS. This matters because some features require specific hardware. Once confirmed, make sure your iPhone is nearby, Bluetooth on, and the iPhone is signed into the same Apple ID. Plug the watch onto its charger and keep it above 50% battery. This prevents interruptions. Since you will avoid updating, prepare the apps you need on the iPhone first, and enable Wi-Fi only if required for app transfers. Now you install and sync without updating watchOS. On the iPhone, open the Watch app, pick the apps you need, and choose versions that work offline or match your watchOS. You decide to install on iPhone first, then tap Install next to each app in the My Watch tab. This forces compatible binaries to transfer. Once done, manually sync faces, complications, and notification settings. Don't rely on automatic migrations. So watch behavior. Finish by testing core functions. Make a call, send a message, try Apple Pay, and check health metrics to confirm everything works without updating. If an app crashes or refuses to install, remove it from the Watch app and reinstall the version that lists compatibility with your watchOS. Sometimes toggling Bluetooth helps. If syncing still fails, restart both devices and only reset network settings as a last resort. If problems persist, document error messages and contact Apple support with model and version details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.